PowerLead affiliate marketing program. In this video, I'm going to show you how PowerLead system works, how you can use PowerLead system to make some money online in the year 2023 and beyond. Okay, it's gonna be step by step. I'm going to show you the first thing you have to do and show you everything how the system works. Okay, now as you can see, I did draw this out. Okay, first thing is to join the program. So, and then when you join the program, which is just gonna cost you only $54 a month. Okay, you may say to yourself, $54, I don't know about you and where you live, in which part of the world that you're living in. If you're about to start a business on the high street, how much would it cost you to run that business? How much would it cost you for electricity, for gas, and for many other overheads that you will have to pay for that business? So if you live like in a country where I live, where you have to pay council tax as well, so your 1 month council tax where your shop is, I believe it will cost you not less than 200 to 300, 400 pounds. So I'm talking about a business that you run from the comfort of your home with as little as less than $100. Okay, just to set up that business. $54 a month. And now, let me shock you. You don't need that $54 to get started with. You can start with as little as $1. $1. I repeat, $1. You can start with that. So affiliate marketing is one of the best business in the world because the cost of starting it is very, very minimal. It's very, very low. So if you're starting a business with $1 and the business is a business that will cost you $54 a month, now with the PowerLead system affiliate marketing program, when you refer free people, your account is free because each person that you bring to the business will be paying you $20. So if each person is paying you $20, 3 people, that is $60. That pays for your business. So you are actually in business for free. Okay, now this is how I have been running this business. I started this business in January 2023. Okay, so I now create my account, which is very, very simple. I'm going to show you everything now. And I listen to what the experts are saying. The millionaire is saying who has used this system to make a whole lot of money. Okay. Number 1, traffic. Generate traffic and send it to your capture page. Okay. I'm going to show you an example of a capture page, how everything looks if you don't understand what I'm saying. You send it to your capture page and that email goes in. They enter their email and they go into the next step where it provides training. Okay, it provides training, and then if they are happy with what they see in the training, they're happy with the explanation on how they're going to make money using this system, they happen to buy. So when they buy, there are 5 different levels in this business. Okay, the first one will pay you $20, and the second level, if they go in for it and you also have that particular level, you make $90 every month. This is every month. So this is one thing I like about the business. You do the work once and you get money coming every month. So then all you have to do is to scale it up by bringing in more people in the business. Okay. So, and then level 3. So that one is $100. Okay, these ones are one-time payment. And then level 4 is a $400 and it's a one-time payment. Then the last level is $1,000, which is also a one-time payment. Okay, so, and then let me show you. I'll give you a typical example of what I've been explaining to you. Now, this is a lead capture page. They give you this. The funnel is created for you free, okay, in the back office. Everything is done for you. The email follow-up that will follow up with your those people who have opted to get more information. The email will follow up and will do the marketing for you. So you don't have to do anything. The only thing you do is send traffic, which I'm going to show you how traffic is being sent to this funnel, because I am doing that. I am doing what I preach. Okay, so all the selling, all the telling is done for you. Now this is the capture page. So you send your traffic here. When they come, they enter their email. When they enter their email, because I've already opted there, so they enter their email, it brings them here. So
hello and welcome. We're going to share an exciting time where technology has allowed average people to make vast.
It brings them here, okay? So when it brings them here, they watch this video. They watch this video right to the end, okay? They watch this video right to the end. And then the video does all
click on the button below.
Selling.
Okay. Once you click on that button,
it does everything. It tells them everything. So they click on the button below and it brings them to the next page. And you can see here, these are step by step. Okay. So step 1, it tells them what to do. When they finish watching that step 1 video, they go to step 2, step 3, and it tells them everything what to do. And then let me click on that.
Hello, welcome to the fast.
So as you can see, this system does all the selling, everything. So you see, brings them to the payment, explains everything. Now this is inside the system. It shows you the various level. Okay, and the good thing about this system is that when you bring in people, there's something that we call machine burners. So the system, if people that you bring into the business opportunity, if they happen to make $1,000 in a month, the system will pay you a machine bonus of $500 because you brought that person in the business. So imagine you bring in 10 people or 20 people in the business, and out of those 20 people, 10 of them are making $1,000 every month from this system. So you're making $500 times 10 people. Okay, and that is not what that is like, not from your commission, because you're gonna earn your own commission. And also because someone brought you to this business, whatever you also earning, 50% of what you're earning, they'll pay you your money, but let's say you're earning 3,000, so which means the person who brought you to the business will be getting 1,500. So you're still getting your $3,000, depending wherever you are. So this is how the system works. So it does all the telling, explains everything. See the levels I told you. So $20, a machine bonus there, $90. Okay, so this guy, John Frank Lab, is a multi-millionaire who has used this system and made a whole lot of money. So he does all the explaining. If you want to know, if you want to watch this video that I'm looking at right now, because I don't have enough time to explain all of this, okay, there is a link under this video. You can click on it. These are the products. Click on that link, opt in, and then you can get this video and watch this video. It shows you everything, how you can make income disclaimer depending on your work ethics. Okay, so how much you can earn within a year and what is possible. This is all about what is possible. So income disclaimer, this video is solely for information and education purposes, okay? It's not a guarantee that you're gonna make that much money, because it depends on your work ethics. Now let me take you to my email. I want to show you something. So this is my email. As you can see, these are leads which I sent to the capture page. You see what is happening here? You can see that a prospect just fill in the form. It's a lot of them. It's hundreds of them, okay, that have completed this form. I also get notification of sign-ups, okay, people who have sign-ups and have off sign-up and also joined the business, okay. So I get notification. So like this one, it tells me a new gold member has arrived. So what I have to do is just to contact them and welcome them into the team, and then ask them if they need any help, how I can help. So many emails there. These are all coming from the Power Lead system. Notification of sign-ups and also for people who have registered into the program. So if this excites you and you would like to work with Basi, so I can show you what I have been doing with this new system. So far, I've managed to make some money that I can use that money to reinvest it in my advertising, because that's what I want to do. I want to build this, and then whatever money I make from it, get it, reinvest it into my advertising and grow this business. I want to do it the broke man way, okay, because I might not have too much money to put into marketing, and I believe so many people are also in my position. They don't have enough money to put in their marketing, but I can start building with the little that I have. So as I'm getting some money coming from the business, reinvest it in the business, and then scale it up, and then grow the business to the level that I want it to go. So there is a link on the video. If you like this video, if this video did make any sense to you, and you want to start affiliate marketing, and this is a perfect program you could start with, because this has been around for more than since 2010, okay, that's more than 10 years now. So which means it's a business, it's a company that is reliable, and we see it being around for a further longer time, okay. So come and join hands with me. Let's build this business together. Let's grow it. And then please, if you like what you've watched and you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and also do not forget to leave a comment. Just comment, good, nice video, nice content, whatever is in your heart, comment. Thank you very much for watching my video on Power Lead system affiliate marketing. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.